Last 2 weeks, I made a promise in this video saying I'll show you how to install Termux on the Android phone because I was feeling lazy back then. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Termux on your phone. Pick out your phone, go to your browser, and go to F-Droid. Download the F-Droid application, install it. Then, inside the F-Droid application, search for Termux, then install it. You see other ones, but look for this one in particular. Then you install it. Yeah, and that's it. You could also go through the Play Store route, but some time back, they gave an announcement that they'll stop supporting the Play Store one. That's why it's best to use the F-Droid. So that's how to install Termux. It's very simple and easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.